First, we import our brushes into Zbrush. Divide your model to something around 5 million points so you can give a clean detail to your model. Turn on symmetry. Select your color. Drag eyebrows brush to your model. If you are a character artist, you will need this pack for everyday work. This eyebrows pack is super useful for a character artist, you know what I mean? So this pack will save your time and the quality is great. Our job is to make your job easier and faster. Please support us so we can continue to create good tools at a cheap price for you guys.